After long expectations and waiting, Maruti Suzuki is finally upgrading their market leader Ertiga. The Ertiga is set to receive a mild makeover in 2022, but sadly, this is not everyone waiting for. The updated MPV has now spotted testing for the first time and it's likely to receive a revised grille as it's the only design element camouflaged. The pattern impressions behind the camouflage look similar to what we have seen in the 2022 Baleno, which was leaked weeks before. Otherwise, headlamp clusters and the front bumper looks unchanged. The rear of the car looks identical to the outgoing version. The MPV could also receive a minor interior update such as a new upholstery and trims. Expect an upgraded infotainment unit similar to the upcoming Balenos. Besides the minor cosmetic update, no mechanical changes are expected. The Ertiga will be powered by the same 1.5-liter mild hybrid petrol engine producing 103 horsepower and 138 Nm of torque paired with either 5-speed manual or a 4-speed automatic transmission. Like the Ertiga, the XL6 will also receive a mild update sometime next year. But surprisingly, the XL6 was heavily camouflaged unlike Ertiga. See you soon. Thanks for watching.